All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. I told you that we're going to start our new module today, which we did. So let's dive right in. So in this section, we'll dive deeper into the aspects of layer 1's, layer 2's, and rollups. We will also begin our introduction into learning to code these smart contracts on our own. As we mentioned previously, we'll be working with Sepolia to deploy our smart contracts and interact with them throughout this course. But we will also be deploying to and interacting with our smart contracts on ZK Zinc Sepolia. Sepolia is an L1 testnet, and ZK Zinc Sepolia is an L2 rollup. But what does this term mean? What is an L1? An L1 or a layer 1 is a blockchain in its purest form where there are nodes that contribute to Zibble resistance and help the chain reach consensus. L1 is a base layer of the blockchain ecosystem in which transactions are executed and confined. It is often referred to as the settlement layer because it's the layer of the blockchain ecosystem that all plugins, layers, or additional components eventually lead back to. Examples of L1 chains include Bitcoin, BNB, Solana, Avalanche, and Ethereum. Ethereum is a chain that we will be working with the most during this course. So when we talk about L1s, we're most likely talking about Ethereum. We can think of this L1 as the hub of the ecosystem. For example, an EVM or Ethereum ecosystem, the Ethereum miner is that hub of the ecosystem, and anything that hooks back into Ethereum is known as an L2 or L2 layer 2. Now, basically, that's just the start of this module here. We're just now getting into it, so it's not much but taking notes. Eventually, we will start writing code for this and learning how to actually start deploying these smart contracts on our own. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.